Alright everyone, over the next few minutes I'm going to take you deep into your own mind. I want you to lay down, make sure you're comfortable, and just let your body relax. If you follow my instructions, you'll be able to experience a wonderful story. Let's begin. I want you to slow your breathing. Make sure to take deep breaths, slowly in and out. As I talk, you don't need to do anything. You don't need to move, except for those little adjustments to stay comfortable. You don't need to speak, even if it seems like I'm asking you a question. And eventually, if your mind starts to drift off, that's okay. Your subconscious can hear me, even while your conscious mind is following its own random thoughts. Now, settle your body into as comfortable a position as possible. Be sure to keep your breathing slow and steady, in and out. Again, in and out. One more time. Take a nice, long, slow, deep breath, filling your lungs completely. And this time, I want you to hold it. Hold it. Just a little longer. And now breathe out, very, very slowly. As you exhale, your body relaxes more and more, as does your mind. And you're doing it perfectly. Now, I'd like you to pay attention to the tension in your feet. Starting from the tips of your toes, you slowly start to feel a warm, heavy feeling. This is okay. As this warm, heavy feeling moves up your feet start to feel more and more relaxed. It starts in your toes, slowly moving its way up into your arches as they loosen, making its way over those broad muscles over the top of your feet. The feeling keeps traveling upward, relaxing your calf muscles, loosening them. As it moves its way upwards, you find it easier and easier to relax your muscles. Allow that relaxed feeling to spread to your thighs, up your hips, and into your core. Just release the tension, allowing your lower body to be loose. Now, allow that warm heaviness to rise through your core, up to your chest, down your arms, all the way to your fingertips, and up your neck. Slowly, that warm heaviness makes its way to your head, through your face as it relaxes, and that feeling makes its way up into your mind. You're doing very well. Now, I'm going to tell you a story, and after the story is over, you'll come out of your trance, or you'll fall asleep. Let's begin. You're visiting your grandfather. There's a flower bed, a tree, and what looks like to be a small fairy garden. You head over to look at it, but before you know it, your dog seems to spot what looks to be a fairy. It's small and dainty, not much larger than your own hand. This fairy looks timid as it flashes around your dog. You feel like you need to comfort it, yet no words can leave you, so you watch. This little fairy flutters its wings, its beautiful light casting off into the walls. You're entranced by the rainbow it seems to create. Very timidly, that fairy reaches out and touches your dog's snout. In a strange way, they stare amongst each other. And after a moment, your furry companion decides to leave. So there you stand, in your grandfather's warm fairy garden, surrounded by nature, and staring at the creature that now notices your presence. Very timidly it runs off, hiding within its thick brush. However, after a moment, it peeks its small head out, gazing up at you curiously. In a strange way, you feel compelled to kneel, to become face to face with this small creature. It looks on, in fear, but there's curiosity in its bones. It wants to meet you, just as much as you want to meet it. Upon closer inspection, this creature really is dainty, fragile, fluttering about the air. There you notice that this poor little thing has a broken wing. Shaking arms pull that wing back into itself, as if afraid you may see this weakness as well. Though you do not comment, you only smile.